AI comedy is officially trending, and this time it's hilarious and smart. Creators everywhere are turning simple ideas into full stand-up comedy skits using Stickman. Yes, that little animated guy you've probably seen all over your feed. He's not just funny, he's making people money. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face, and you won't get banned for using anyone else's content. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how creators are doing it and how you can start your own faceless comedy show in less than 10 minutes. Let's get into it. First, head over to TikTok and search stand-up comedy. Scroll through until you find a clip you like, something funny, relatable, or trending. Click the arrow icon right here, then select copy link. Now, go to Google and type TikTok downloader. Choose the first website that pops up. This site lets you download TikToks without watermark. Click here to paste your link. Click download. Now scroll down and choose without watermark. Then click on download right here. If you're using iPhone, click right here and choose the video you just downloaded. Click on the share button right here and save your video. It will go straight to your gallery. Now, it's time for the fun part, bringing your Stickman comedian to life. Go to your App Store or Play Store and download Adobe Express. This app is completely free and honestly, one of the most underrated creator tools out there. You can do so much with this app, and most creators out there are using it to create monetizable content, and you can do same. Once you open it, click quick actions right here. You'll see tons of options, but for today, we're going to click animate character. Now, you'll see three main options: character, background, and size. Let's set our size to 916. That's perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Now click character. Scroll all the way until you find the Stickman. It's near the end, so take your time, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you find it, click on it and you can resize it, make it bigger, smaller, however you want. This is your virtual comedian, your digital twin on stage. Now for the background, there are a few built-in ones. You can choose any of these or upload your own background. I want ours to feel like a real comedy stage, so we are going to upload our own. So here's what I recommend. There are two options. First, head over to ChatGPT and put in this prompt on the screen. Once you get the prompt, then you ask it to create the picture for you. Now this is nice. I really love how unique this is. Now, the second option is to go Pinterest and search stand-up studio background. There are so many to choose from. Download the ones you are okay with. Once you have it, go back to Adobe Express, click background, then upload image right here and select your stage image. Now resize your Stickman to fit the stage perfectly. Looks good? Great. Now, click on record and upload the TikTok video you downloaded earlier. Adobe Express will automatically sync the Stickman animation with your audio. It might take a few seconds to process, and while it's doing that, hold on. Hey, if you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about creating. So, before we continue, click that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your creative friends. It really helps this channel grow, and I've got so many more tutorials coming your way. Once it's done processing, boom, your Stickman is now performing your comedy audio in real time, and it looks so smooth. Now, click download and the video goes straight to your gallery. Want to make it even better? Open TikTok, Click the plus button, upload the video, and add captions. Captions help with retention and make your jokes hit harder. You can change the color, font, and timing of the captions to match your vibe. And now you're ready to post it everywhere. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchat, Spotlight. The same 30-second clip can work across every platform. No camera, no crew, no bands, just a stickman and your creativity. See, from a simple clip to a full-on comedy show, and you didn't even need to show your face. This is the power of faceless creation. So try it today, build your own AI comedian, and tag me when you post yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. This is the future of faceless comedy, and you're early. See you in the next one.